Well, I'm going to show you how to make some posts on the forums and how to include some of the advanced features like eBay, embed videos, and those sort of things. So to post on the forums, you want to go up here to Forums and click on Forum Categories. It's going to bring you to a page that looks like this. You want to, for demo purposes here, I'm going to post under, let's say, Features. You go down here, you hit New Topic. This is what the forum post looks like. Make a subject. And you pick a topic icon, can be whatever you want. And in this box right here, these are all BB codes and other features the website has to offer. The first one's bold, that'll make your text bold, italic, underline, subscript. And then here's the color. If you click this box, it shows you a bunch of colors that you can make the text. The next one, an unordered list, ordered list, list items. They're all different lists that you can make. This is what it would look like if you do this. Let's see. That's what a list looks like. I'll put a 1 and a 2 next to it. You want to go back in here and edit the post. Now, moving forward, this would be quotes if you want to quote someone. This is code if you wanted to put code in, teaching someone how to do something with HTML or PHP. This creates a table. Spoiler, what that does is if you were talking about a game and something you were going to say had a spoiler in it, you would put spoiler here. And you see, this is what it looks like. Let's say I wanted to say the ending of the game. And I would type in what the ending of the game is there, and I'd hit submit. You see in the post it says warning spoiler. And so the person would actually have to click on this before they could view what was beyond that. Okay, moving on. Right here is the hide text from guests. If you only want registered members to see your text, you're going to click that button. This is the insert image link. You click this and you can type in the size, and then you type in the URL where the image is located at, and you would hit insert, and then you would see the image in the post. This is the link, works the same way as images, so I'll show you here real quick because this covers both. If I wanted to add a link to GameAssembly.com, I'd type that in. Then I'd put whatever the text I want to show. And I would click insert. And then as you can see, it will insert something called BB code, which is what the forums use. And you hit enter or submit down here. And this is what it looks like. It says link for GameAssembly.com. If you clicked on that, it would take you right back to the website because I linked to GameAssembly. Okay, so moving on. This is where you can create polls. This is a pretty nice feature here. If you click this, you can type in a poll. Say, first you see the poll title up here. You want to make it right there, then you hit plus, and that's now the poll title, and then here's your options. Yes, no. If you want more options, you click this, and it's going to add option 3. So you click the plus symbol to add options, the minus symbol to get rid of options. You just want to leave this alone right here. This is the start time of the poll, or the lifetime of it as well. You don't really want to mess with that unless if you want the poll to end at a certain day. You would hit, when you're done with this, you would hit submit. And now at the top of this forum you see polls. You like GameAssembly.com, yes, no, and maybe. Those are the options I chose. If you hit, people can vote like this. And then it shows now the votes at the top, and you can only vote once. You're allowed to change your vote though, but you're only allowed one vote. And then it says total number of votes. And now let's get back here to the editing the post. Next thing is going to be the eBay auctions. This is in case you have an eBay auction for a video game or something, and you want some more people to see it. It's a good way to promote your eBay auction. So what you do is you click this eBay link. Right here, when you move your mouse over this, notice this box right down here. I have my mouse over is going to change, and it always gives you instructions on how to perform the action. So what you do when you move this over, it says eBay item ID /eBay. So what you do is you go to your eBay auction, and I don't know what eBay is doing, but they're making it harder and harder to find eBay ID. It looks like they're trying to use search engine friendly URLs now. Usually the item ID was over here at the end, but this group of numbers you see here is not the item ID because it has a letter right there. The item ID is actually right here. So what you want to do is you want to highlight this from the slash to the question mark, and keep in mind that when you go to a different auction it might have a different format. The item ID always looks like this group of numbers here. So what you do is you come back here, you put the item ID right in here. And now you hit submit. Let's see what it does here. There you go. That's your item ID. There's your eBay auction. It shows you the time left on it, the title, how many bids are on it, and it lets you view and bid it and everything. So there's a great way to promote your eBay auction if you have one. And you know, we do not care if you use this, obviously, because we incorporated this feature into the website. So you feel free to advertise your eBay auctions here. Let's go back, and this time I'm going to show you how to edit or insert YouTube videos and videos of that nature. Now let's get rid of the eBay text. Go back here and see this right here. This icon is for videos. So let's say I want to insert a YouTube video, because that's the most common one, into my forum post. First, you'd select from the drop down, you'd select YouTube, and now it's going to ask for the video ID. So here's a YouTube video. The video ID is right after the V equals. You see this group of letters and numbers here. You want to copy from the equal to the and symbol. Here's the equal symbol, and here's the and symbol. You see all those letters and numbers right here. Actually, it's this. So now you take that information, you come back here and you post it. That's the easy way to do it. If you want to do it the other way, you can post the entire URL here and it'll link the video, but the correct way to do it is to select the provider, put the ID of the video in, and hit insert video. You can, if you want to, if you notice the height and the width, you can adjust that. I don't recommend that you do that. Just the provider and the video ID is enough. You hit submit. Now I have the YouTube video right here. Okay, so let's finish up here. This option right here is to insert a map into your post. So let's click the map option. Let's just type in New York, New York. Hit submit. Might take a while to load here after you do this because it is pulling the map from Google Maps. When it comes up, you're going to see the map for New York City. Right there we go. See, I'm moving the mouse here. I'm scrolling around the mouse wheel. Okay, so let's edit the post. You'd use that if you wanted to give someone instructions or show them a map of something or location of something. That pretty much sums up the videos. Right here is preview panes, which don't really do much, because if you notice, you get down here and it shows you a preview pane of your post anyway. You don't really need that. And the help here is to how to use VB code. You don't really need that, because if you move your mouse over these, it's going to tell you what they do. Notice here it keeps changing every time I mouse over something. Smiley face is pretty self-explanatory. You just click them and it adds the smiley face. Let's get rid of the map, and it'll look exactly like what smiley face you clicked on. The final thing here is going to be the, so there's my smiley face. This is going to be the uploading of files, pictures. And to do that, you'd move your mouse over the attachments here. You'd click in this white box. It'll bring up a file selection screen. You select whatever file you want to upload and upload it. That is pretty much it for posting in the forums. Remember, no pornographic material, no racism, If you swear, don't do it too much. Here and there is okay, but a message that's just full of the F word or something to that effect is going to get deleted or moderated. Remember, when you're posting, use common sense. You'll be perfectly fine here. We're not going to over-moderate like a bunch of other websites where if you post a single link or swear one time, they moderate or delete your post, ban you, whatever they do. That's not going to happen here. We give you a lot more freedom than any other website does, and we feel that more websites need to do this. That pretty much sums up how to post in the forums. I hope you enjoy your stay here. Remember, you do get points for doing this. It's a good way to get your name out there, to meet other people. So we recommend that you take the time to post in the forums and join in on the conversation. Thank you.